It's bright, it's tangy, it's the lemon. We all know it. Often relegated to the side of our plates, this little fruit is a powerhouse of flavor and goodness. Don't underestimate its potential. From perking up your dishes to boosting your health, the lemon deserves a round of applause. Lemons have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. Their distinct aroma and tartness add a refreshing twist to both sweet and savory dishes. But beyond their culinary appeal, lemons boast an array of health benefits that might surprise you. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this citrus fruit is a true gift from nature. So why am I giving lemons the spotlight? Because everyone deserves to know how to infuse a little zest into their lives, both literally and metaphorically. Join me as we delve into the wonderful world of lemons, uncovering their hidden treasures and discovering how this humble fruit can truly brighten your day. Let's talk nutrition. Lemons are low in calories and bursting with essential nutrients. Think vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. A squeeze of lemon in your water is a fantastic way to kickstart your day. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, boosting your immune system and protecting your cells from damage. Potassium supports healthy blood pressure levels, keeping your heart happy. And let's not forget fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. And there's more. Lemons contain plant compounds called flavonoids, known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. It's like a natural shield for your body. Now let's get cooking. Lemons are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Use the juice to brighten up salad dressings, marinades, and sauces. The zest packed with flavor is amazing in baking and desserts. A squeeze of lemon elevates grilled fish or chicken, adding a tangy twist. Roast vegetables with a sprinkle of lemon zest for a depth of flavor. Don't forget about lemon desserts. Lemon tarts, cakes, and cheesecakes are classic for a reason. And of course, no summer day is complete without a refreshing lemonade. Muddle fresh mint and berries for a twist. Feeling adventurous? Try lemon in cocktails or infused water for a flavorful and healthy drink. The possibilities are endless. But how exactly do lemons benefit your body? Let's break it down. The citric acid in lemons has been found to aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices. This can help relieve bloating and indigestion. Additionally, lemons have alkaline-forming properties, meaning they can help balance your body's pH levels. While lemons themselves are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized. Maintaining a balanced pH is crucial for overall health and well-being. The high vitamin C content in lemons plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic, reducing wrinkles and promoting a youthful appearance. So, adding a squeeze of lemon to your water could be your secret to glowing skin. Now let's step out of the kitchen. Lemons are surprisingly versatile around the house too. Their natural acidity makes them a fantastic cleaning agent. Create a DIY all-purpose cleaner with lemon juice, water, and vinegar. Lemons can also banish unpleasant odors. Place a bowl of lemon water in your fridge to absorb stubborn smells. Rubbing lemon on your hands can remove strong food odors like garlic and onions. And here's a beauty tip. Lemon juice can lighten dark spots and blemishes. Apply a small amount to the affected area and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing off. Always remember to do a patch test first. So there you have it, the humble lemon, a fruit with endless possibilities. From its nutritional power to its versatility in the kitchen and beyond, the lemon truly deserves a place in everyone's life. Adding more lemons to your diet and lifestyle is simple and rewarding. Start your day with lemon water, experiment with lemon zest in your cooking, or try a DIY lemon cleaning solution. Small changes can make a big difference. Embrace the tangy transformation that awaits you. Unleash the power of lemon and experience a brighter, healthier, and more flavorful life.